Hello viewers, hope you are all fine and doing good in your life. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss with you on the topic how to make money on Shopify. First of all, we go to the search bar and type here how to make money from Shopify. Money from Shopify. I already searched for several websites, but I will share with you the best one, which I think is the best for my viewers and for their knowledge. Here's the website. Start selling with Shopify today. Try Shopify for free and explore all the tools and services you need to start, run, and grow your business. Here we just scroll. Secrets to Making Money Online Ultimate Guide 2023. Are you dreaming of building your own business or simply looking for ways to make extra money on the side? With modern technology advancing before our eyes, there are more ways than ever before to make money on the web. Whether you are selling your used clothes on a local marketplace site, creating merch to sell to your TikTok fans, or starting a business from a place of passion, there are tools to help. And if you don't have an idea in mind yet, this list will show you ideas for making money online no matter your skill level. Ahead, explore 30 creative money making ideas, including everything from beginner side hustles to advanced business models. How to make money online. The ideas within this section are for those looking to make money in a long term, sustainable way. These businesses will require effort and passion to pay off, but they are also some of the most rewarding and fulfilling ways to start making extra money online. Develop and sell a unique product, create and sell handmade or custom products, sell digital products, become a reseller, monetize a blog, create online courses and workshops, and some other sources also. First point, develop and sell a unique product. When you think of most direct to consumer brands, this is what comes to mind. Original products that make meaningful improvements to well known items. You too can develop and manufacture a unique product to sell. Consider designing a prototype for a product that solves a common problem, then finding a manufacturer to create it. Startup time. Several months from design to prototype to manufacturing, effort level high to start, medium ongoing effort to maintain. Time to first payment. After you sell a product, expect a wait period of around 5 days to receive funds in your bank account on most platforms. What to know? Manufacturing domestically means you have more control over quality and sustainability, but your cost may be higher. Research manufacturers carefully to find the right fit for your product and brand. Be sure to consider labeling laws in every region where you plan to sell. Requirements. Most e-commerce platforms require that you are at least 18 years of age. Requirements vary by country and region, but some products may require you have to license, permits or certifications. I hope this information will help you and guide you that how to make money from Shopify. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please share, like the video. See you in next video. Goodbye.